Here we have the 2015 white VW Touareg. Do best to point out any marks, any imperfections and things like that. So we'll start with the front right alloy and tyre here. And overall this alloy's in good shape. You've got just a little bit of corrosion, not sure if it's potentially a little bit of curbing just down there. And a couple of light little scratches, but generally it's all in good shape. And a little bit of corrosion just near the centre cap there, but otherwise it's all good. And you've got just over nearly 7.5 mil, about 7 mil of tread on that front right tyre there. Now coming around the right hand side of the Touareg, that's all good. Generally it's quite a tidy car. I've only noticed a few little marks around it. Obviously it is 6 years old, so you will find a couple little bits. These are just a couple of little small stone chips that stand about a metre away. You can see just how small they are. You've got just on the edge of the back right door here, obviously it's been opened onto something that's just been touched in, but it is quite minor. And you've got the back right alloy and tyre here as well. Overall again this alloy's in good shape, but you have just got bits of corrosion just on the alloy, but overall again in good shape. And on the back right tyre you've got just over 4 mil of tread there. Now come around the back of the car here. Of course you've got your rear parking sensors as well. There, your electronic tailgate, and that's all working exactly as it should. And if I just show you just underneath here as well, you've got the spare wheel just in that. And just to point out, I've got a few little marks just on the plastic, just on the back of the boot there. Close that. That all works exactly as it should. And you have got a couple little marks just on the back of the car here as well. So just on this black bit of plastic here, just been into something on the back there. They're just very light sort of little marks. And just on the back of the bumper as well, just a couple of little bits. If I stand about a metre away, you can see how small they are. And so coming around the back left of the Touareg here, again overall that's all in good shape. You've got the back left alloy and tyre. Again, I mean this is probably the tidiest one out of the three so far. It does look as if it's potentially been refurbished, this one though. You can see there's potentially a few scuffs just on the outer edge, but it's just been sanded down by the looks of it. And you've got again just over 4 mil of tread just on that tyre there. Now coming around the left hand side, generally it's quite tidy, but you've just got just on the edge of this here just a little bit of a mark just where that's obviously caught something there, but again about a metre away. You can see it is quite minor. Coming around the left hand side, again that's all good. You've got the front left alloy and tyre here as well. Again it does look as if this one's been refurbished as well, because you can see just on the outer edge it does just look as if it's been done, but otherwise it's all in good shape. And you've got on this tyre, you've got nearly 7 mil of tread there. Coming around the front bumper here as well, and of course you've got the front parking sensors. And generally the front bumper's quite tidy, but I did just notice there's a bit of a scratch on there. You've got a couple of little marks, and just on the bonnet as well there's a bit of a chip here. It's not very big, but if I stand about a metre away you can see how small it actually is. And the windscreen as well, free from any major chips or cracks. And you have got the 2 keys with this one as well. Now if I just come inside, that's right, I've just noticed a bit of a touch-in on this back right door here as well, which I didn't notice earlier. Stand about a metre away, you can see how small it is. And I'll show you the inside. So you've got the driver's seat here, lovely driver's leather seat, and that's all quite tidy. You've just got a little bit of wear on the bolster, which you do get with leather. And the front right door here, overall in good shape, but again, you've just got little bits of wear just on there, and just on the plastic as well, just down there, a couple of little scratches. Now if I just come inside, just be easy to show you. Of course you've got front and rear floor mats in this one as well. If I just start it up. But this one was literally MOT'd when it landed with us, so literally the other day, so it's got MOT till July next year. It's actually got quite a lot of fuel as well, I've just seen. So you've got the mileage there, 71,121 miles, and this one was serviced 4,000 miles ago, so it won't be due for a while, but it's been really well looked after. We've got a lot of service history from what I can remember on this one, and that's all working exactly as it should be. Of course you've got the sat nav on there. If I put it into reverse, you've got the parking system come up on there for the parking sensors, and got the heated seats. Like I say, that's all working as it should be. And you've just got a couple little marks just near the cup holders there. Again, it is a 6-year-old car, so it's all stuff you will find. You've got the front left seat here, that's all good, and the front left door, again that's quite tidy, and just the main dash here, and this metal bit of trim, but you have just got a little bit of a mark just on there. Of course you have got the sunroof there as well. Now if I just show you into the back of the car. So you've got the back right door here, and overall that's in good shape. And you've got the back of the driver's seat there, that's all good. And you've just got a little bit of a crease just on that bit of plastic trim just in the middle. And the back of the front left seat. And now just into the back, so the rear seat's here. Generally that's all quite tidy. You have just got a little bit of a, it's almost like a very small rip just in this back of the seat there. If I stand about a metre away, you can see it is quite minor, but just worth pointing out. And the middle, and the back right here as well. Generally it's quite tidy inside overall, and you have just got the ISOFIX fittings just in the back. And there we go. So that's the 2015 Touareg in white, overall in very good condition for a car that's 6 years old. Thanks for watching the video.